Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your equipments and how to refine the hero's equipment. For new player, for the beginner, I made this video, Dragonheir silent guards. So let's get started by tap the sax icon, and this is all the equipment that I had, and it's already attached or equipped to my hero. And upgrade this equipment by tap this one, refine. Tap the refine, and this is my main hero. Tap the refine and select refinement level, so you can add one affixes randomly if you got 5 level, and at the level 8 you can add 2 affixes randomly. I give you an example. Tap the refine and got this 2 refine, defense 39 and attack 37. So please upgrade all your equipment to make your hero stronger. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and click the next button below. Enjoy the game.